In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your online forms to other tools such as Slack using Zapier and automate your workflows like a pro. So without any ado, let's get started. What is Zapier? Zapier is a free, no-code workflow automation tool that helps you connect multiple apps together and automate workflows such as email follow-ups, client onboarding, and many more. Now, connecting your forms to other apps through Zapier can help you send the form submission data directly to Google Sheets or any other database, or trigger an email campaign, or even notify your team members on Slack or Teams upon new form submissions. Now, let's see how to connect Formester forms to other apps through Zapier. So I have prepared a lead capture form in Formester, and I have also created a CRM in Airtable with all the necessary fields and tables. Now, let's say I want to automatically send the new form submission to the leads table and then send a follow-up email later. To do that, first log into Zapier, then click on Create and select Zaps. And this will ask you to select the trigger and also the action. So in the trigger, select Formester. And choose the trigger event as new submission. And this will ask you to connect your Formester account. Once that is done, you can choose the form that you want to act as the trigger. So in this case, it will be the lead capture form. Then click on continue, and this will ask you to test the trigger. So make sure to carry out a test submission in that form, and this will show up over here. So select the recent record. Next, it will ask you to select the action. So in the action, you can select all these apps. So in our case, we want to select Airtable. And then in the action event, we want to create or update record, and it will ask you to connect to your account. Once that is done, head over to configure, and here you can choose your base and also the table. Then simply map the fields from the form to the table in Airtable. So in our case, we have the name, and we have the name as this, and we have the email, then we have the phone. Once the mapping is done, click on continue and then carry out a test. So the test is successful. Simply hit publish. And there we go. Within a minute, our Zap is ready. We can rename this to be Formester Airtable Zap. You can also add more steps to create a multi-step workflow. For example, whenever a new form submission takes place, we can send the form data to the CRM and then send an automated email through Gmail containing data from both the form and also the CRM. You can do the same for appointment bookings, feedback collection, and many more. This will help you simplify complex workflows and save hours of manual work, and also reduce errors in the data collection. So let's head back to Formester and carry out a test submission to see if the workflow is properly working. So let's start filling out the details. Let's hit submit, and the form submission is complete. Now let's go to our CRM, and as you can see, our form submission is getting automatically populated in the particular table in Airtable in real time. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found this to be valuable. If you have any comments or questions, kindly drop them in the comment section. If you want to try out Formester, make sure to use the link in the description. As always, I will see you in the next one.